Hi, James. How are you today? Let's talk about cultural differences you've noticed.
Well, actually, I've observed that greetings vary greatly across cultures. Would you agree that in some places a simple smile does the trick? That reminds me of Japan, where bowing is very common. The interesting thing about body language is how much it can reflect cultural norms. Have you considered how these differences influence international business meetings?
Oh, totally. A smile there can be just as effective as words. I think every culture has its own way of showing respect, too. That's fascinating about Japan. In New York, we often greet with a handshake. Do you find people in your country also use hand gestures differently than here?
Indeed, in many cultures, gestures carry different meanings. Did you know that in Italy, nodding the head up and down means no, quite opposite to English-speaking countries? Speaking of New York, I bet that fast pace influences how people there greet each other too. Have you noticed similar contrasts where you are?
Wow, who knew about Italy? Here in NYC, we move fast, but still find time for a friendly wave. That's true. Pace can affect greetings. In my neighborhood, folks might just say hi quickly as they rush by. What about greeting customs in your hometown? They must be different from here too, right?
In my town, greetings are often more casual and straightforward, similar to yours. Did you know that the way we greet reflects our daily life pace? That said, formal settings still demand a bit more politeness. Have you noticed how environments affect greeting styles too?
No way. Casual greetings suit your town well then. I noticed that too. Places like museums or meetings are different. What about events? Do they change how people greet each other?
Indeed, at events, greetings tend to be more formal and structured. Did you know that the formality of a greeting can signal respect for social norms? Speaking of norms, have you ever attended an event where greeting customs were completely different from what you expected? They can be quite revealing.
That's so true. Formalities really show how much people value their traditions. I once went to a wedding abroad and the greetings there were very respectful. What about you? Have you been surprised by any greeting customs?
Yes, at a conference I was surprised by the formal handshakes everyone exchanged. Did you know that in some cultures, even a slight bow shows great respect? That reminds me of a wedding I attended abroad. Greetings were indeed very respectful. Have you noticed how greetings can vary greatly depending on the occasion?
That's interesting. Here, handshakes are strong and quick at events. Do you think the occasion sets the tone for how people greet each other? Tell me more about your wedding experience.
Certainly. At weddings abroad, greetings are often very respectful with bowing or deep curtsies. Did you know that the occasion sets a clear expectation for formality? Speaking of which, at my wedding in Japan, everyone bowed deeply during greetings. Quite different from casual handshakes here. Have you ever witnessed such a culturally distinct greeting? They always make me appreciate our own customs more.
Wow, bowing really shows respect there. That's so cool. What about birthdays? You notice much formality then too. Tell me more about your Japanese wedding. Sounds amazing.
At weddings and birthdays abroad, the level of formality can be very high, reflecting deep cultural values. My Japanese wedding was indeed amazing. Guests wore traditional attire, and there were formal rituals before the celebration began. Have you ever experienced such a culturally rich event? It truly emphasizes respect and tradition.
That sounds incredible. Wearing traditional clothes must have been special. Have you been to any festivals where greeting customs were extra vibrant? They always bring so much color and meaning, don't they?
Festivals like the Japanese New Year are breathtaking with colorful greetings. Did you know that these events strengthen community bonds through shared traditions? Speaking of vibrant greetings, how about Chinese New Year parades? The energy is electric. Have you ever been to one? They showcase the beauty of cultural expression in every detail.
Those sound amazing. The colors and energy must be incredible. Have you tried any new foods there? Food always adds so much to cultural experiences, doesn't it?
Indeed. At festivals, trying local delicacies is a must. It's like tasting the culture itself. I remember sampling delicious mochi at the Japanese festival. So soft and sweet. Have you tried anything similar during your travels? The flavors are often as delightful as the customs.
Mochi is so yummy. I love trying new snacks too. What about street food at carnivals in other countries? They're always full of surprises, right? What did you try that? Was turkey a turkey?
Ah, street food at carnivals can be a delightful adventure, offering surprising flavors and vibrant colors. In Turkey, during carnival-like festivals, I tried delightful kebabs wrapped in vine leaves. So refreshing. Have you sampled any Turkish treats? The local street food is often just as exciting as the festivities themselves.
Yum, those sound delicious. I love trying new snacks too. Have you been to Istanbul's Spice Bazaar? It's a feast for both eyes and taste buds. What's your favorite Turkish treat?
The Spice Bazaar in Istanbul is truly magical. So many colors and fragrances. Did you know it's been around since the 1700s? For me, lokum, known as Turkish delight, is a favorite. Have you tried it? The soft texture and sweet flavors are unforgettable.
Lokum sounds amazing. Soft and sweet, perfect for a treat. Have you been to any other bazaars around the world? They always have such unique offerings, don't they?
Indeed. Bazaars like Marrakech's Yema El Efna are equally fascinating. The smells, sounds, and colors make every visit an adventure. Speaking of treats, did you know that each bazaar has its own special snacks? Have you tried any street food in bazaars abroad? They often offer a taste of the local culture.
Wow, Jamal Efna sounds incredible. So many stories to tell. What's your favorite part of exploring bazaars? Seeing or tasting?
Both are equally captivating. The sights are mesmerizing, but there's something magical about trying new flavors. Have you ever seen a performance in a bazaar too? It's like stepping into another world. Each bazaar has its own charm and secrets to share. What do you think makes exploring bazaars so exciting for you?
Oh, performances are the best part. They make it feel like you're living a story. What about you? Do you love the surprise of finding hidden gems in these places too?
Absolutely. I love discovering hidden gems, those unexpected stalls with unique items. It's as if each bazaar holds a treasure just waiting to be found. Did you know that sometimes it's not what you see or taste, but who you meet along the way? That's what makes these experiences truly special.
That's so true. Meeting new people adds such a warm touch. Have you ever struck up a conversation with someone at a bazaar? It always leads to unexpected stories.
Indeed, it does. Striking up conversations can lead to the most delightful and enriching moments. People are often eager to share their stories. Wouldn't you agree that every bazaar visit becomes like a little adventure, filled with new friendships and unforgettable memories?
Totally. It's like finding a slice of another world in each visit. What's your favorite memory from a bazaar trip? Sharing stories always makes the experience even more special.
One of my favorite memories was in Marrakech, sitting with an elderly man who told me tales of the city's past. It made the market feel alive and personal. Sharing stories like these truly adds warmth to every visit. What's your most cherished bazaar memory? Every story makes each place more special.
That sounds magical. Stories make everything come alive, doesn't it? Mine was in Istanbul, sipping tea with a family at a small cafe overlooking the bazaar. Such simple moments create lifelong memories. What's been your favorite thing about exploring different markets? They always offer so much more than just treats, right?
Absolutely. Those simple moments are what make travel truly memorable. The family's hospitality in Istanbul was unforgettable. Such warmth is hard to find. Exploring different markets has taught me that they offer more than just treats. They teach us about culture, history, and the people who call these places home. Speaking of which, did you know each market reflects the local way of life? Have you visited any historic markets? They often tell stories through their very architecture.
Oh, wow. Sounds like a magical day. Hospitality really does make all the difference. I've been to some old markets too, like Cairo's Khan el Khalili. Its ancient walls hold so many tales. What's your favorite part about these historic markets? The architecture or the stories they tell?
Both are equally enchanting. The architecture of historic markets is like stepping into a bygone era, but the stories they tell through the people and their goods make them truly alive. Did you know that in these markets you can often find artifacts from different eras mixed together? It's as if time itself has woven its tapestry there. What do you think gives historic markets their unique charm? Its history or the vibrant present-day life within them?